When DTF printing a design like this, you think it would come out fine. Then why does it have a cloud effect then? It's the same design, but understand that when printing a semi-transparent design, it can be difficult for DTF printing. So what do? Halftones. And I understand that could be overwhelming to learn how to apply halftones to a design, not having any knowledge on Photoshop. But that's why we are going to make it easy for you guys. By having our website apply that to your guys' designs with just a click of a button after upload. So enough talk, let's just show you guys how you guys can get your prints shirt ready and looking phenomenal. Let's get started. All right, so we're on our website. So with the same artwork that we just showed you, and as well as also another artwork design that we actually have, we do want to go to our DTF gang sheet builder. So let's go to our build your own DTF gang sheet, and then we're gonna start a whole brand new gang sheet. So uploading those images, I already have them set onto my downloads. Let me put them both in here. All right, so already one of our designs, when uploading, it's already giving you a transparent warning. We detected semi-transparent pixels in this image. Transparent images will not print correctly with DTF unless they are halftone. Amazing, it already tells you right off the bat. So easy, let's just halftone it. By a click of a button, we don't need to mess with any density or angle. We don't need to push anything else. It will do it for us. So there we go. Looks incredible. I don't know if you already see what's been done. I'm gonna push apply. And then this one as well, halftone, easy. Oh my God, that looks amazing. All right, let's first push apply, all right? And then let's add these bad boys in here first. The design is a little bit big. We're gonna make this more towards a, let's say 10-inch. Oh, it's too small. Let's do 11, 12, yes, perfect. Awesome, okay. And this one will be fine. Yeah, all right, real quick look. Let's see what's getting done here. So what halftones are we seeing on the aura, guys? All right, again, you won't really see the difference until really just putting it on a shirt, but the halftones are there and it looks incredible. It's literally small dots that you could see right here. It looks really good, guys. This is gonna print out a lot better, showing off the aura as well as also keeping true to the design and not giving this clouded effect that you saw on that earlier design. So on this one, the first design that you saw was this one right here. So on this one, you're not gonna see that white cloud around here. And plus also with the halftoning being done, you see these small areas of transparency. That's gonna actually come through a lot better and not having a full-on like white smear that you see on the print. So this is gonna come out crazy, guys. And we're only 3 minutes in on our website. So we're just gonna save, add to cart, print anyways, no semi-transparent, and then add to cart, guys. All right, and then there we go. We're gonna get it printed and then get this on a shirt, okay? All right, guys, we have the prints here. Already just looking that far away, like you could tell that it's a lot better, but let's take a closer look, okay? All right, let's take a closer look, guys. Honestly, it came out really, really good. I don't know if you guys could see what really got done here, guys. These are small little dots that have been put on here for those halftones. You're gonna literally get such a great aura effect on your print. It's gonna look crazy. I honestly am very impressed on how this came out, especially with this one, with this cloudy effect. I'm very excited to see it on a shirt and see how really cloudy it came out or comes out. Because if we didn't do these halftones, guys, this is how your prints would come out. Because they have to make it as solid. So now you're getting these huge white, like literally it's like a box at this point because it cuts off the edges. Now with this one, same here. I know we showed it briefly, but this is crazy, guys. If we didn't do any halftones at all, look at how much white will be coming up on here. On a black shirt, you're seeing this automatically. I already see it here. That's ridiculous. So from these to that, I think we came up good. I think it looks great. All right, guys, let's stop talking. Let's get started. All right, let's get this cut. So typically, I love how that has the name on here. This is actually how you would receive your order as well. So if you're ordering at all from us, guys, this is how you'll receive it. If you do the gang sheet builder, I believe it was a 22 by 12 that I put up. And yeah, this is nice, guys. This is coming out great. They look great. Let's do it. For today's blank, guys, we have a 402 large black Smart Blanks t-shirt, guys. We're only using the front and the back. As you can see, it's only one shirt that we're using for these both designs. We just want to see this on fabric because of the halftones, okay? But for the heat press, we do have our 15 by 15 automatic fever heat press. If you want to see both of these at all, we'll put the link in the description below so you guys can check them out. Let's get started. All right, guys. So our heat press is about to be 300 degrees. That's a good time to set our shirt right now. I'm not gonna be like super on point on aligning this. Again, the main objective here is just to put this on a shirt, just so we could see how the halftones went. Really just gonna eyeball this. Can't turn on the laser and align it myself, but again, guys, the main objective is just for the halftone. So let's just put this in here. We're heat pressing it on heavy pressure. It has 10 seconds on the heat press. We normally do 7. I know most of our videos we do 7, but the reason why we're doing 10 is because it only goes in 5 increments. So it was either 5 or 10, so we decided to do 10. Awesome, it looks good. It is really hot. All right, with this type of small detail, we would normally wait 15 seconds for it, guys, to peel it, but you could peel it straight off if you want. So let's just also put this to add texture. It's our matte finishing sheet. Again, same increments. You're just doing a kind of like a second finish, just making sure that it's really on there. Awesome. All right. Okay, already it's looking good. It's looking nice, but we're gonna not take a deeper look until we get the second one on here. So let's get that on there real quick. There we go. I'm actually pretty excited to see how this is gonna turn out. It just shows how our website has developed, and I'm pretty proud of it, actually. The halftoning was a very big groundbreaker for us, because I'm pretty sure the people that do watch the videos, if you're a little bit more savvy on Photoshop, it does take a minute, and if it doesn't, the image is amazing, and if it doesn't for you, then you're a knack onto Photoshop. You're definitely a better professional than I am. But yeah, I think this is a phenomenal job to just, you know, straight just do. I don't even want to put so much look at it, but it does still look very nice. It does look a lot better than I was gonna see. All right, again, second pressing on there. I feel like the halftoning in general, it helps out for people that don't know how to do it in Photoshop. It was just a press of a button. It literally asked you if you wanted to do it. So as you guys could see, anyone could really do this. All right, we're gonna take a closer look. All right, first I gotta say, look at how all the edges of the design, this is a tricky design to just peel straight away too, guys. All right, like there's a lot of end edges right there that could have definitely got rid of on the print. But also for the main attraction, guys, the halftones, look at how amazing they came out. You don't see any white whatsoever. So that means it's completely covered with our ink for the design. This came out phenomenal, guys. This looks amazing. This looks like it would actually come out in real life. This looks great. All right, so this was the first one. Let's look at the next one real quick. All right, it looks good, guys. Again, on the original print, it had a huge white box, even had an area where it was like cleanly sliced, so it kind of looked even more boxy than normal. Now we have this nice pinkish aura that goes around it. Again, not seeing any white whatsoever. This nice little halftone pattern that's going around it, giving this aura effect, as well as also reducing the opacity. It feels nice, guys. It feels nice for even being a heavy design. I understand the image is in behind it too as well, so it's making this a little bit, you know, tougher, but like, look at that. Look at that. That came out really nice, guys. Look at the edges. That's really clean. All right, guys, I think we did good. All right, guys, we showed you how to do some halftones on our gang sheet builder with one click of a button after uploading. And we printed it out, then also pressed it on a Smart Blanks tee. Honestly, it came out phenomenal. I love the way it looks, especially since I know the last one without any halftones looks really, really crap. It did not come out well at all. This one came out phenomenal. I love the color around it. It definitely brings out that aura effect. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you guys learned something new. If you guys want to see more content like this, definitely subscribe and like. All right.